How are you, my friend?
Hello.
Sabay di Maika.
Hello.
He's absolutely lovely and he shakes our hand every single day without fail. So we're staying in this super local area here on the Tombury side of the river. It's so nice, so peaceful. There's some people doing work outside the house, but if they weren't doing work, you'd just be able to hear the birds. So we're like right on the canals and the little back streets. Now today, we're going to a floating market here in Bangkok. A little local floating market. It's about an hour walk away. So it's pretty far, but hopefully the walk's going to be really nice. As you can see, we've already got a temple. There's just loads of temples, canals, local streets, food. Yeah, so let's get there and then just see what's going on. We've never been to a floating market, so. Now just look at this temple, which is pretty much round the corner from where we're staying. Can you hear? No noise, you can just hear the birds. We're just surrounded by like trees, lush vegetation. That is so beautiful. Right now, would you think we were in Bangkok? Hello. Little old boy. You wouldn't think it, would you? This is worlds away from the Bangkok that you think of. So peaceful. Wat Saphan Bangkok. Look at the detail on the top of that. That is beautiful. Right, on we go. So yeah, we'll head to the floating market. Maybe film a couple of street scenes on the way. Wow, check this place out. This is so impressive. Look at all the fish here. Are they big catfish? Look at them all swimming against the current. Look at the people's houses on the canals. I mean, if you live in Bangkok, this is 100% where I'd live. This is so detached from the rest of the city. This is a place. Because another temple, there's just so many temples, there's so much food. We've just gone past another floating market, not the one we're going to, but it still looked really good. Yeah. You'd have no idea you were in Bangkok. And then just down the road you can jump on a metro and head to like the metropolis, the huge city centre. It's like two different worlds. But yeah, look at these streets. So peaceful, you can actually hear the birds. Yeah, I love it around here. Sawadee krab.
สวัสดีค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
Welcome market. So we've got some moo ping straight off the street.
ไฟต้องเอาขี้เถ้าใส่เยอะๆจะได้ไม่ไหม้
Okay, okay.
ไม่งั้นมันจะไหม้ถ้าใส่ขี้เถ้าเยอะๆนี่ไม่ไหม้
Welcome krab. I have no idea what you're saying, but we've got just a couple of moo pings. It's just threw some sticky rice in, so. They're always £5 around here, which is well a good price, and they look really good. And she was so nice. There we go. Let's have a little do on this. That is so good. It's always really good round here. I'm trying some of the sticky rice.
fresh
Yeah, fresh as it can get. You saw them. She's only just put them on because it's early morning. What a start, grilled pork and sticky rice. They're really good. Again, would you believe this is Bangkok? So peaceful. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the floating market. Now this floating market is called the Wat Saphan Floating Market. We thought it'd be a really great idea to walk. Just an hour walk. It took like an hour and 40 minutes. We're absolutely knackered. So don't walk. We did it so you don't have to. Now we're here, just arrived. There's loads of temples which we'll check out after we've had some food, but before we do that, we need some food and drink, some tea, coffee, just some proper food. So let's see what there is here in Wat Saphan. So, first things first, swap these around. First things first, we've come to this Northern Thai stall, which is, look at this for a setting to eat. Like, can we just appreciate this? There's just boats zipping past. And look at where we're set. This is a beautiful place to eat. Dripping in sweat, but we've jumped straight in for some hot dishes. So I've got Gaeng hanglay, which is a typical Northern Thai curry dish. And it looks absolutely delicious. It's pork, fatty pieces of pork. Got a bit of coriander on the top. It looks oily, it looks good, look at that. Now I'll jump straight into this. Wow, that is fatty pork. That is so soft, that pork. Really fatty though, I love that. Fatty skin. It's got a really deep, rich flavour. Oily taste. That's impeccable. Those are some peanuts it looks like. Wow, that is really good. That is full of flavour. Got a bit of rice as well to go with it. And what have you got, Leash?
Classic khao soy. So it's like a curry soup noodle dish, isn't it? So there's egg noodles underneath. And that, oh, look at how good that broth looks. And then
So what's in it?
Chicken, this big chicken leg, curry paste. What else is there?
Well, you've got bean sprouts, the crunchy egg noodles on the top, the fried egg noodles, red onion, chilli. You put all your stuff in yourself, so over there you can just help yourself to all the toppings you want.
Pickled mustard greens.
Pickled mustard greens, yeah.
Put the lime seed there.
Oh, lime, sprinkle the lime in.
A bit of chilli. I was probably put the full thing of chilli in.
And then what you do is you mix it all up, mix everything in.
I'm going to try the broth on its own. Oh, it's so good. Those limes are so powerful, so they're so tiny.
Or did they give it a real zing?
Oh, it's delicious.
I'm gonna have to get in there and try that, bro.
Really delicious. You'll love it.
So this dish is one of our favourites back home in the UK because believe it or not you can get it at quite a lot of places. Oh, that's delicious. That is really limey. The limes have zinged that up. You can just taste the lime, the chilli kick, onions. That's so good. And yeah, there's just a huge chicken leg in there. Ooh.
I'm going to get curry paste in the eye. Oh, delicious. Really tender. So good. It doesn't taste super coconutty. It tastes like
Oh, tastes more like heavy on the spice.
limey. Super limey. Delicious.
Take one last look at that for a dish. You can't deny it. It's a fantastic dish. It's popular for a reason.
Love the pickled mustard greens. It's like acidic.
Just that's the thing with this dish. So you've got all the different flavours that you put in yourself. So you can make it sweet, you can make it spicy, you can make it sour, just depending on your taste. It's all like individual, so it's a dish for everyone. And yeah, here we are in the floating market. What a nice place to eat. It's so peaceful, genuinely. You can cut that open with the spoon and look inside. Look at the texture of that pork. Oh, that is ridiculous. So Leash has just been pooed on from above. Is it on your back as well? Yep, she's been pooed on. Mid-meal. How did that feel?
Brilliant. I think I'm gonna move here because the pesky bugger's just gonna keep shitting on my order.
Oh, is that what that was? Some fell on me as well. I thought it was water.
Would you mind assisting me to get this out of my hair?
Before we hit the market hard, I've just picked up a Thai coffee made in the socks right here. The best type of coffee. Now the walk, there's lots of dogs around here just lying everywhere. The walk here was so tiring. We're both absolutely knackered. We actually need to sit down and recover before we go and actually start looking in the market. But yeah, so far it's pretty chill vibe. Not that many people, not that many stalls, so it's quite relaxing, not overwhelming at all. And yeah, let's try this coffee. Iced coffee, just what you need in this heat. Oh, this is so good. They have that, you can really taste the sock. I know that sounds weird, but you can taste like... You can taste that sock's been used 1,000 times, is what I'm saying. It's got a really like rich taste, almost bitter, but really good. And for 20 baht, it's a steal. So this is the centre of the floating market, and as you can see, we've got people selling stuff from the boats. Super cool. Frying something up fresh there. And yeah, it's just a big food market essentially. All kinds of snacks and drinks for sale. It is actually really cool. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty local little market. What's this lady got? Pad Thai. This looks really good as well. Sorry, Cap. Yeah, it's a really beautiful little place, this. Sun's come out. There's just loads of little temples dotted around. I don't know what else we should get. Let's have a look at this view down here. So you can see just how beautiful it is here. And peaceful. Which is the main thing we're after here. Sorry, Cap.
ครับ
เอาผัดไทยกุ้งนึ่งครับ
ผัดไทยกุ้งหนึ่ง
กุ้งนึ่งครับ
กลับบ้านหรือทานนี่เทคเอาเว
for here. Just for here.
อ๋ออันนั้นโอเค
Okay, ขอบคุณครับ
ผัดไทยจานหนึง
So we're getting a shrimp pad thai right off the canal here. So believe it or not, this is actually the first pad thai I've ever had, because when we go out for Thai in the UK, I don't even eat it. But I couldn't resist when I saw that lady in the little boat, because she was doing it just right, and look how good this looks. Let's get the condiments on first. Let's get the lime on. I bet that's juicy, isn't it? And then we've got some chili. Oh, go on then, put a little bit of sugar, because I do like things to be a little bit sweet. And then here we've got this chili vinegar. They look really good, don't they? Just throw some of these on. And yeah, let's just give it a go. Because my first pad thai, so we've got egg, and it's pad thai gung, so it's shrimp. Oh. Let's try shrimp here. It's hard to grab with a chopstick. Delicious. Once you get all the mixed up. I don't know how many shrimp are in here, maybe 2 or 3. Go on, let's give it a go. A little bit sweet, you know. It's actually really nice. Are there rice noodles in there? So rice noodles, bean sprouts, prawn, egg. Surprisingly, actually really good. So this pad thai only cost 45 baht with shrimp, which is an incredible price. That's like just over £1. And yeah, it's really good. Crushed peanuts, bean sprouts, rice noodles, egg, sweet, spicy. That is a super dish, and it's a big portion for the price. Like, you're getting what you pay for there. They're a little bit sweet and spicy in the vinegar. What a little spot. While we were sitting here, feeling a little bit thirsty, I looked across, this lady's selling for 10 baht. Various different flavours of these little drinks. So this is a lemongrass. I don't know what it is. That's well good.
Sweet.
Again, yeah, just a super sweet. It's flat. It's got a real like strong like aftertaste of lemongrass. That's again the type of drink that you'd have a sip and you'll just neck it in about 10 seconds and you can't help yourself. So good. This market is full of dogs just strolling about as well. Trying to get some food. Yeah, so far so good. Really good prices here. Like 45 baht for pad thai. Big portion. Really good prices. So yeah, let's see what else we can grab.
It tastes like a hard-boiled sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
It's
like
really
a
nice.
melted sweet.
I think I know what you mean. Like the
Because it's got like that super sweety taste.
That's good
Like
though.
like an actual sweet.
For 10 baht, look, she's restocking them now. She's just got.
It's like a human.
I know, what's this all about? What? I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't walk up to someone selling something, not even say hello to them, and just take a selfie with them, and then just walk off. Anyway, it's a bit like a human zoo, like Leash says. Now this is what I was talking about when I was saying about people giving offerings at the temples. And you see the red Fanta and all these red drinks. You'll see this all over Thailand. Now we grabbed some of these crackers. I think, are they roasted peanuts?
Flour. That's what he said.
Is that what he said? These are 20 baht with you for a bag. And yeah, this temple's smack bang in the middle of the Wat Saphan Floating Market, and it's really pretty. How is it? Crunchy or soft or crunchy?
It's like a sweet, like a really sweet
Smells.
cracker at the bottom.
It's very peanutty, isn't it?
Both those. Like a peanut cookie.
Alright. Not very sweet, I don't think. It's just very crunchy and peanutty. Pretty nice though, if you're into your peanuts. Now this Buddhist temple here, guys, is the biggest one in the grounds here at the Wat Saphan Floating Market. And it's absolutely stunning. It's massive. It's got this like marbled floor going all the way around. And yeah, look at that. Beautiful. I think that might be it for the little floating market morning adventure. Very quiet place, very chilled out, not much noise. Yeah, very cheap prices, not that much on offer, but it's just a nice place to come for a couple of hours and chill out. So I would recommend visiting, 100%. I can't speak for any other floating markets because I haven't been. My very first one, this. Yeah, but the area is super beautiful here. People are pretty friendly. Surprisingly, quite a lot of people spoke English as well, so that's good if you speak English. Yeah, there's loads of street dogs and puppies. Maybe we'll have a chat with a few before we leave, but now I think it's time to do the hour and a half walk back home. So thank you for watching, and until next time, ciao.